امکاتتان باش بخیر بین بو چانلی Learn and Explore. لم فيديو دا باسی بشی دومی اپیزودی هشتمی کتابی Treasure Island دکین. The Black Spot Again. دوباره خالا رشکه. دیار دا ویدیوگانی سرطا باسی Black Spot مان کردو ازانن چی. The door opened and the 5 men came back inside. The door opened, درگاکا کرایو, and 5 men came back inside. و 5 پیاوکا دوباره هات نو جورو. One of them walked towards Silver nervously and gave him a piece of paper marked with a black spot. One of them, Yekikian, walked towards Silver nervously. Bashlajawiyo barulai Silver rosht, nervously, wata bashlajawiyo yan batirsawa, and gave him a piece of paper, wa parche kagaziyapi, piece wata parcha, paper wata kagaz, marked with a black spot. Khaliki Rashi Lasa Diari Krabu. I remembered the captain's fear of the black spot long before back at the Admiral Benbow. I remembered the captain's fear Tirsi Captainakam Labirbu of the black spot La Khala Rashaka long before Zor Peshter back at the Admiral Benbow. La Admiral Benbow. Toy Rosagawata Tirsi Captainakam Labirbu La Khala Rashaka Zu La Admiral Benbow. Silver turned over the small, dark piece of paper and then said, Well, what does it say? Deposed? Well, I'm still your captain until you tell me why you're unhappy, and I reply. After that, we'll see. Silver turned over the small, dark piece of paper. Silver parcha kagazab chuka rashake yan tarikake haldao pashan wuti, and then said, Wata pashan wuti, well, what does it say? Basha alechi, mabastiyoeka kagaza manaichi. Deposed. Wata lakar khastin yan kesek laishek lababe yan lapostek lababe piotre deposed, lera dalasan kagaza nusrao deposed, kamabastoya captainakan la karaki labardo. Well, I am still your captain. Min heshta captaini eom, until you tell me, taoku pem alin, why you are unhappy. Bochi eo diltangan. And I reply, Waminish walamtan emo. After that, doi eo, we'll see. Abinin, mabasiweka abinin chi ruayat. Well, first, replied one of the men called George Mary. Lera dabak shidrunpkan wala zoshan abinin ba weldas pegan, ka amash زوجار هیچ معنی کی نه تنها لبری اوی کبلت یان anablet alet well. First, yakam shid, replied one of the men, yakek lepiawakan walami dawa, called George Mary, kanawi George Mary bu. You've made a mess of this voyage. To gashta tek dawa. Second, duam, you let the enemy out of here for nothing. You let the enemy out of here for nothing. تو رجع أديك دجمناكان من لربرون ببيه هيشتك ما بس تويك رجع داوا لا سانجري برجريك برون دروا ببيه أوي هيشان لبكن. Why did they want out? بوشي ويستيان برون دروا ما بس تويك بوشي ويستيان لا سانجري برجريك برون دروا. I don't know من نازانم, but I know that's what they wanted. بلام أزانم أو بوكويستيان. Third, سيم You wouldn't let us shoot as they were leaving. Tonat ahesht taqayan lepkin kate ka aroshtan yan kate ka erean baje ahesht. And finally, there is this boy. Wala kotaida am kurahe. Wakla video peshter bas manked. Lagal jamaataki tirka jamaati ka Dr. Levisiu Captain Smollett u ana lagal ana rekautun ka am shenean bo baje bel ka sangeri bergriake. I made a mess of this voyage, did I? Asked Silver quietly. Silver babedangiya wa persiari karduti. Manam gashtam tegda. Why? You all know that I didn't want to attack them until the treasure had been found and we were on our way back to England. If you'd listened to me, we'd all still be on the Hispaniola. Every one of us would be alive and there would be food and drink and treasure on board. But you men would not do what I told you. Because of what you've done, we could all hang. And isn't this boy a hostage? He might be our last chance. Kill that boy? I wouldn't. Second, The doctor comes here every day to look after that big cut on your head, John, and give you medicine, George. And there's another ship coming, and it's not so long until then. We'll see who'll be glad to have a hostage when the time comes. Third, you asked me to bargain. And if I hadn't made a bargain, we'd all have starved. And this is why I did it, he shouted, and he threw a paper down in front of him. You all know, eo hamutan azanin, that I didn't want to attack them, kamin nam awist herish masaryan, until the treasure had been found. Tauku ganjinaka adozreto, and we were on our way back to England. Wa ema laregabuin bo garanobo Ingiltara. Lera dam bastioe ka newistu herish kada saryan, hatauku ganjinaka adozno pasha nagaranobo Ingiltara wala regea hershaka nasaryan. If you would listen to me, agar götan lamun begirtaya, we'd all still be on the Hispaniola. Ema estash lasar Hispaniola abuin. Every one of us would be alive, hamuman zindu abuin, and there would be food, wakhwadin abu, and drink, wakhwadnoa, and treasure on board, wa ganjinaka lasar rui kashtiaga. But you men would not do what I told you. Balam ewa awatan nakirt kaman pemutin. Because of what you've done, labar awi ka kirtan, yan bahoy awi ka kirtan, we could all hang. Akret hamuman lasedara bidrein. And isn't this boy a hostage? I am kurra baramtaniya. Hostage wata baramta. He might be our last chance. Akret kota halman bit, yan kota chance man bit. Kill that boy? Kurra bukujin? I wouldn't. Minnam akusht. Yani agar badas aw boy nay akusht. Second, duam, the doctor comes here every day, Doktoraka yedbo era hamu rojek, to look after that big cut on your head, John, bochaw deri kirni aw brini lasar sart hai, John, and give you medicine, George, wa darman ayabato, George. And there's another ship coming, wa kashti ki dika hai la regada kabo eredit. It's not long until then, wa zori nayat yan zori namaw tawko kata did. We'll see who'll be glad to have a hostage when that time comes. We'll see, Abinin, who will be glad, Kid Dulkhoshabed, to have a hostage, Bo'awika Baramteiki Habed, when that time comes. Kate ka au kata did. Third, Sayam, you asked me to bargain. To dawat lekirdum, ya eo dawatan lekirdum, ka rep kewin. And if I hadn't made a bargain, wa agar man au rekautnam nakirdaya, we'd all have starved. Ema hamuman labirsa amirdin. And this is why I did it. Wa min labar awabu ka kirdam. Mabastoy ka labaroy labirsa namrin. Wa au hokaranator ka basikid. He shouted, hawari kid, and he threw a paper down in front of him. Wa waraqeki haldaya bardemi. Mabastoy ka amqsani peshu ka kirdi, bahawara wa kirdweti. It was the treasure map, complete with the 3 red crosses. It was the treasure map. Awan nakhshay ganjina kabu. Mabastawek awaraqay frayao tabardamyan nakhshay ganjina kabu. Complete with the 3 red crosses. Basse zarba surako. Kamabastiwaya sheni harse ganjina tiabo. The mutineers jumped on the map like 5 cats on a mouse. The mutineers, Yakhyakan, jumped on the map, khoyan haldaya sar nakhshaka, like 5 cats on a mouse. Wakuchon pinch pshila, khoy halayat sar mishkek. Mabastioe ka zorba parosho khoyan bohalao. They were so excited that you've thought they were actually getting their hands on the gold itself. They were so excited, awna dil khoshbun, that you would have thought kato wabirit akirdawa, they were actually getting their hands on the gold itself. Kadastian akhanasar altuna ka khoy. Mabastoe ka awna ba parosha bo amwaraqe roshtun bo am nakhshe roshtun wat azani ka altuna ka daskauto. Soon, however, Mary said, Bazui yan harzu, however, harchana, mabastoe ka harchana dil khoshbun, Mary said, Mary witty, this is all very good, but how are we going to get away without a ship? This is all very good, ama hamui zor basha. But how are we going to get away without a ship? Balam chon atuanin choman derbas pkein bebe kashtiak. You and the other man lost us the ship, said Silver angrily. Silver baturayawuti, you and the other man, to piawakani dika, lost us the ship. Kashtiakatan winkirdin. And I got us the treasure. Who's the better man? I've had enough. Choose yourself another captain. Silver laksakidin baturaya wa bardam betu Allah, and I got us the treasure. Wamin ganjinakam bohenan yan ganjinakam bobadasenan. Who is the better man? Ke piyaweki bashtira yan ke piyaw bashtira ke. I have had enough. Watamin tahamulum namao. Choose yourself another captain. Captain ki tirbochotan halbjeren. Silver, they cried. Silver forever. Hawarian kirduwutyan. Silver, silver forever. Silver, silver bohamishay yan hata-hata. Mamastiyoy ka hata-hata woku captain yan ameneto. Bamshoy siyang basha ko taihat. Agar video ka tamat mo baharakan tan ibneran like video kapkan wa agar tan video kay dahatu mabinin don't forget to subscribe. Tawag video dahatu khatan lagaw.